Good morning, student of class 6th. How are you? I hope you all will be fine at your home. This is your book of English grammar for class 6th E. There are total 20 chapters in it, in which first chapter is the noun case. You can see there are total 20 chapters in it, and the first chapter is the noun case. Today I will teach you first chapter of your book, that is first chapter of your English grammar book, that is the noun case. In the previous classes I had taught you first chapter of your English reader book, and today I will teach you first chapter of your grammar book, that is the noun case. Now first, what is case? Case indicates how a noun is used in relation to other words in a sentence. Case tells us how a noun is used in relation to other words in a sentence. Types of cases. There are 4 cases of noun in English grammar. In English grammar, there are 4 cases of noun, that is the nominative case, the objective case, the vocative case, and the possessive case. The nominative case. In the nominative case, when noun is used as an subject of the verb. The objective case, when the noun is used as the object of the verb. The vocative case, when we use noun for calling someone, such as oh God, like this. And the possessive case, when noun is used for possession, such as Ram's pen. This is called possessive case. Now I will tell you all these cases in detail. Come to your first case, nominative case. When a noun is used as the subject of a verb, it is said to be in the nominative case. When noun is used as the subject of a verb, it is said to be in the nominative case. Subject of the verb, for example, Lucy went to the market. What is the subject of the verb? Lucy. And Lucy is a noun. Which type of noun it is? It is proper noun. The farmer was ploughing his fields. Which is the subject of the verb ploughing? Was ploughing? The farmer. So the farmer is in nominative case. In this sentence, Lucy and the farmer are in the nominative case. You can see. Which type of noun is the farmer? The farmer is the common noun. Now, how will you know whether a noun is used in nominative case or not? How will you come to know whether a noun is used as a nominative case or objective case or vocative case or possessive case? To find the nominative case, we frame a question by putting who with the verb. Whenever we have to know whether a noun case is used as a nominative case, noun is used in nominative case, how will we find it? We may frame the question by using who with the verb. For example, in the above sentences, Lucy went to the market is the sentence. How will you frame the verb? How will you frame it? We will just ask question by how. Who went to the market? Then answer will be Lucy. Who went to the market? Lucy. Noun is in the nominative case. Now, who was ploughing his fields? Answer is the farmer. Answer is the farmer. A noun in nominative case, as you can see. Again, I am repeating the whole chapter. What is case? Case indicates how a noun is used in relation to other words in a sentence. Case tells us how a noun is used in relation to other words. There are 4 types of cases of noun, such as noun is used in 4 cases: nominative case, objective case, vocative case, and possessive case. Nominative case, when a noun is used as a subject of the verb, then it is called nominative case. Objective case, when noun is used as the object of the verb, then it is said to be in the objective case. The vocative case, when a noun is used such as for calling or for saying someone, come here, Raj, come here, or like that. The possessive case, where noun is used for possession, such as Ram's pen. Apostrophe s is used in this case. Now nominative case. When a noun is used as a subject of a verb, it is said to be in the nominative case. I had told you earlier. Lucy went to the market. The farmer was ploughing his field. In this sentence, Lucy and farmer are in the nominative case. How will you come to know whether it is in nominative case or not? Just frame a question by using who. Who went to the market? Answer is Lucy went to the market. Who was ploughing his field? Answer is the farmer was ploughing his field. Farmer. Noun is in nominative case. Now for today's homework, you will have to learn all the types of cases and what is case and what is nominative case and how will you know whether it is nominative case or not. Thank you. I am Abdul Rashid. I am teaching you English and my mobile number is 700-780-2662. You can ask me any question related to this. Thank you.